Congratulations on your Screenplay Montage purchase. This video will help guide you through the installation of your new hardware. Please read all instructions before attempting this installation. You should receive a number of boxes in the mail. Your actual hardware may differ depending on the version ordered. We currently offer Windows or Apple Macintosh hardware options. This video will focus on Windows hardware installation from HP. Before you begin, please refer to the instruction manual for a list of required tools. Unpack the boxes of your Screenplay Montage display board. Refer to the instruction manual to make sure you are not missing any parts. Choose a suitable location to install your board. The wall structure you choose must offer adequate support. Failure to do so could result in an unsafe situation. Please consult the instruction manual for more details on wall structure requirements. Using a stud finder, find and mark the center of the studs on the wall. Draw a vertical line down the center of each stud using a level. Place the wall mount bracket on the wall. Choose a height that will be comfortable for most people to reach. We recommend centering the bracket around 60 inches to 65 inches from the floor. Align the holes on each end with the center of the studs and level the bracket. Draw a mark across the upper and lower holes on each end. Drill a pilot hole at each mark. Attach the wall mount bracket to the wall using the supplied screws. Next, we will assemble the portrait landscape bracket assembly. Please consult the instruction manual to determine which hardware you should use. Insert the appropriate screws and spacers into the display vertical mounting brackets. Attach the vertical mounting brackets to the portrait landscape bracket. To attach the portrait landscape bracket assembly to the display board, use the instruction manual to determine which screws and spacers you should use. Attach the portrait landscape bracket assembly to the display board. Gather the parts required to assemble the accessory mount. In this video, we will assemble the quick release bracket. Refer to the instruction manual for a list of parts. Use the appropriate screws to attach the quick release bracket to the accessory mounting bracket. Attach the accessory mounting assembly to the display board. Attach the other half of the quick release bracket to the computer. Slide the computer onto the quick release bracket. To assemble the speakers, attach each one to the appropriate side of the display board. Run the speaker cable along the bottom of the display board. Connect the ends of the speaker wire to the ports on the display board. Now we'll connect all of the cables from the computer to the display board. Attach the computer's power supply to the lower half of the accessory mounting bracket using the Velcro straps. Connect the power supply to the back of the computer. Connect the VGA cable to the computer and the display board. Connect the audio cable to the computer and display board. Next, we will connect the USB cable. Connect the USB cable to the computer and display board. The display board is now ready to be hung on the wall. Lift the display board onto the wall bracket. The portrait landscape bracket should hook onto the wall bracket. Screws can be used to lock the assembly in place. Please refer to the instruction manual for details on adjusting the angle and orientation of the display board. Connect the power cables to the display board and the computer power supply. Unpack the video camera. Place the camera on top of the display board and connect it to the computer. The hardware installation is now complete. Your board is ready to use.